Congress has always been my calling, as history and all of you know. The important thing today is that there can be a Nehru Congress, there can be a Indira Congress, and this is a Mamata Trinamool Congress. And for me, when the nation and the country needs us, it's important to unite with a force that has divided to rule India. The BJP needs to be addressed in all sincerity, and Mamata has proved that she and she alone can become the tigress that can take on the likes of Narendra Modi, and I want to be there to be the change, and I'm proud to have joined Trinamool because I have known their graph and Mamata's journey from the beginning, and she deserves all the support that she gets for a better India. And right now, we're all working for Goa. Goan in the sense that I live in Goa now, my grandmother is Goan. It's important today that Goa has the support structure, the activism, the social base, the cultural know-how, and the knowledge of how Goa needs change. What BJP has done, and unfortunately through the Congress party, allowed Goa to become something that it doesn't deserve to be. Today, as a Trinamool member, and the track record that Trinamool has through the West Bengal elections, and Mamata Banerjee has for her entire journey in politics, the only leader today that I feel that can take on the likes of national politics, Prime Minister candidate, and Narendra Modi and Amit Shah's brand of politics is Mamata Banerjee, because she is a true nurturer, giver, carer, and a fighter for what is right.